this video, we're going to take a look at how you go about opening up an existing Microsoft Excel file. So first of all, you need to know where the file is stored. And we go to File, and we go to Open. Now what you need to do is you can select from a list of workbooks that may be available, or you can click on your OneDrive to actually search for something that you're looking for. From here, all you need to do is navigate to the relevant folder that you want to access and keep double clicking on it till you find the file that you're after. Simply double click on it and it will enable you to open it up. So the key here with opening an existing Excel worksheet is you need to know where it's stored. However, if it's something that you've used recently, you can access it from clicking on the File tab, and down here will display a list of recently used spreadsheets, or you can certainly pin a spreadsheet by locating a spreadsheet, and there's a little push pin here, and then it will display on the pinned area here. So that's how you access an existing Microsoft Excel spreadsheet.